Welcome to Jelly Belly World, where dreams come alive.
Welcome everyone. Today we're going on a magical adventure to learn about the wonderful forms of nature. Are you ready? Great. Let's start our journey at the mountains. Mountains are big, tall, and majestic. They touch the sky and can be covered in snow or lush green trees. Who can tell me something they might see in the mountains? Yes, you might see eagles soaring, or even a waterfall cascading down the rocks. Speaking of waterfalls, let's talk about them next. Waterfalls are where water rushes down from high places. They sound like nature's music. Have any of you ever seen a waterfall? Awesome! Now let's move to the river. Rivers are like long, winding ribbons of water. They flow and can be home to fish and frogs. What do you think lives in a river? Exactly, fish, ducks, and sometimes even beavers. Now we can't forget about ponds. Ponds are smaller than rivers, and they often have lily pads and frogs. Who loves frogs? Next, let's talk about the sun. The sun is our star that gives us light and warmth. Without it, plants couldn't grow. What do you enjoy doing in the sunshine? Now look up. What do you see in the sky? Clouds. They float and change shapes. Sometimes they bring rain, which helps plants grow. And at night, we see the moon. The moon shines brightly and helps guide us at night. Can anyone tell me what else we see at night? That's right, stars. They twinkle and sparkle in the dark sky. Now let's fly like the birds. Birds soar in the sky, and they come in many colors and sizes. What's your favorite bird? Fantastic! And we can't forget about the animals that live on the land. From rabbits in the fields to bears in the mountains, animals are everywhere. What's your favorite animal? Now let's head to the desert. The desert is a hot place with sand and cacti. It might seem empty, but it's home to many unique animals. Finally, let's look at a leaf. Leaves are important because they help plants make food from sunlight. What colors do leaves turn in the fall? Yes, red, orange, and yellow. So we've learned about mountains, rivers, ponds, waterfalls, flowers, the sun, clouds, the moon, stars, birds, animals, the desert, and leaves. Nature is full of wonders. Remember, we can explore and protect all these beautiful forms of nature. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. Let's keep exploring the world around us.